Look at the chart of gold, what we have seen. Gold is trading around $5171.5. If you look at this particular trend, you can see that the price is trying to go higher. Okay, but we have seen the price after making a low of around 4395, it is trying to go upside, but we have seen this is the particular pattern it is trying to follow. Okay, and this is the clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall, so we can see there will be an upside if the price keep moving above 5130. Okay, it is currently trading around $5171.5, and chances will be very high. See, this is the smaller pattern. If the price keep moving off this level, a probability of going towards 5206, from there I will have 5252, from there a 5285, and then we can see it will cross above a level of 5400, and chances of crossing 4114 will 5441 will be there, because this is the pattern showing an upside, which suggests that the price should go above a level of 5414, because this pattern will support an upside. One important thing that you have to note here, that on the weekly chart we have seen the price is forming a red candle which is higher than the previous green candle. Okay, bearish engulfing is trying to form at this level, so we can see that if the price keep falling below a level of $5110, we can see there will be a further downfall can happen. Okay, and chances will be very high, because if you see this particular third last candle, you can see that a hammer is forming which was showing an upside. So we have seen there is a continuous higher, so the price has touched a level of 5425. Now looking at this particular chart, you have to understand that the price can move further down if we see on a week chart. But remember, see, you have to understand support and resistance plays an important role. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the price will go towards a level of around $5196, which is an resistance one, and if that sustain, which is very close to that level, we can see a level of $5208, which is a resistance too. And once the price moving up that particular level, we can see the price will move towards $5251, which is a resistance 3, and if that sustain, we can see the price will move towards $5276, which is a resistance 4. Suppose that price sustain, we can see the price will touch a level of $5272, and if the price rising up that level, we can see a level of 5382. So after this 5272, chance of crossing 5382 will be there, and from there we can see it will cross a level of $5419. This pattern is supporting an upside movement. So once started crossing towards a level of 5419, because this is a weak level, we can see the price will go towards a level of 5448, and from there it will touch its all-time high, then a further upside can be seen. So remember, if it keep moving over 5200, trail your SL by around $30, so at least you'll capture upside movement, because chance all-time high can be seen. As I've clearly mentioned you that on a weekly chart we have seen a red candle is forming and a green candle is smaller than that, that is trying to create a bearish form. So chances will be very high that if the price move below this particular support of $15118, which is support 1, if it didn't bounce back, we can see the price will fall further down, and chances will be very high it will move further low towards 5107. From there it will cross a level of 5062, okay, which is support 3, and from there it will move directly towards 5051, and then it will move towards a level of around 5000. And if the price keep moving below this level, we can see the price will go further down, and yes, after that a probability of going towards 4976 can be seen, from there a level of 4959, then there is zone breakout, so we can see the price will go towards a level of 4881, and then a further low can be seen. Chances will be very high as soon as the zone breakout happens, we can see the price will move towards 4854 to a level of 4838. All can be seen towards a level of around $4760. So trail your SL by around $30 to $40, so at least you will capture downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.